Hi everyone, I'll show you how to make a crocodile in this video. You'll need two pieces of paper for this, one for the body, one for the head. I'll start off by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. Then I'll fold the outside edges in towards the middle. Using these outside corners, I'll fold these in towards the middle. I'll unfold that step, and then using the pre-creases that I've made, I'll open up these flaps here. Sometimes this can be a bit fiddly as there's a few layers of paper in that tip, but it's not too hard to do. There, so now I'll mount and fold this in half. The next step is to fold the top corner down just a little bit. I'll unfold this. The next step's really cool because what you do is you fold the flap over on an angle and then you refold the corner back down again. So I'll flip over to the other side and do those steps again. So fold the corner down, then use the flap to fold over on an angle and let the corner come down at the same time. This allows me to work on the legs. Next, I'll use that bottom section and I'll fold this in half. I'll do the same on the other side. This is a preparation step to make an inside reverse fold. So I'll show you up close what it looks like. I'll open this up and I'll push the middle section of the paper inwards so it gets tucked inside. Perfect. Then I do the same step again on the end of this section. So I'll fold this on an angle as a little foot. And I'll repeat this on the other side, and then to do those inside reverse folds there. So this is a little bit fiddly because it's a smaller reverse fold, but the same kind of thing again. It gets pushed open and tucked in neatly on the inside, and then the same on the other leg as well. So just a couple of steps left now. Using the right section, I'll fold this over, and you'll need to make sure this is a really strong crease. This will be folded inside the model, so I'll open it up like this. This tip is easily folded into the model. Then lastly, using the left section of the tail, I'll fold this over, giving it a slight angle. That concludes making the body. Now I can start on the head. With the other sheet, I'll fold this in half on the diagonal to start. Then using the outside edges, I'll fold these in towards the middle. Using the outside corners, I'll fold these in towards the middle as well. And just like I did with the body before, I'll open this up and open up those flaps with the pre-creases. I'll rotate my paper around, then I'll use the left section and fold this backwards. Then for the next step, use both layers and fold these all the way over to the other corner. Using those two layers again, I'll fold them downwards to make a pleat fold. Now I can fold the model in half. Using the flap on the left, I can fold this downwards on an angle. And I'll repeat this on the other side. Then I'll use the bottom section to fold in half. I'll repeat this on the other side. Now I can do the inside reverse folds for the feet. Using the lower portion of this tip, I'll do another inside reverse fold here, and that will finish the feet. Lastly, using those upper edges of the head, these get folded inside like this. The last step to do is to grab the inside layer of the head and pull this gently upwards. You can't have a crocodile without the signature jaws. Happy folding, and thanks for watching. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!